Hello again and welcome to this lesson 3 on fundamentals of the internet. So this is the prerequisite lessons before you start your full stack class, and in our previous lesson, in lesson 2, we have introduced what is World Wide Web, and we introduced the three main technologies on which the World Wide Web is based. In this particular lesson, we want to look at the history of the web and see how the web has evolved over the time. So the World Wide Web was invented in 1991, and the first version of web, which is web version 1, we have the web that is known as the read-only web, where we only have a static kind of websites where the users could only be able to view the information on the website, but then they cannot be able to post any information, or they cannot be able to generate any information. So this kind of web sites, or this version of web applications, are called the read-only websites. It was information publishing only and no interaction was involved. Then we evolved to the second trend of the web, which is Web 2, and this happened between 2004 to present. And in this version of the web, it involves the kind of social web applications where there is some level of interactivity, where the user can have some interactivity on the websites. The users can be able to generate their data, and they can be able to do so using the APIs. So we have a full system where we have backend, we have the front end, and the user can be able to generate some data on the websites. For example, such kind of popular websites include like the YouTube website, the Facebook website, whereby you can go and even generate your own content, you can post your own content and so forth. Then we came to the third version of the web, which is started from 2014 to the future that we're heading towards. And in this version of web, it is also called the decentralized web. This decentralized web is that the main idea behind this web is that it makes the web intelligent, and it makes the web trustless, it makes the web decentralized. So in this version of the web, we are looking at more how to make our web applications more intelligent by integrating some aspects of AI, making the web more decentralized. Instead of having just one data set on one server, we have several distributed servers or computers, where we have several copies of the same data or across all those computers, and therefore no one user owns the system. So an example of such kind of technologies or web applications or websites include the blockchain technology, the cryptocurrencies, machine learning context, generative AI, natural language processing, and so on. So this is the three major stages through the World Wide Web has evolved up to where we are heading towards. Otherwise, this is all about this particular lesson, and thank you for joining, and see you in the next lesson.